Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of maths, and we are on to chapter negative numbers. Now, children, a question often comes to our mind, and that is, are whole numbers enough? See, when you receive money, you gain something, but when you pay money, you lose something. When you receive rupees 4, you gain something, but when you pay rupees 4, then you lose something, isn't it? So, how do we indicate gain of rupees 4 and a loss of rupees 4? Let A be the starting point of a number line. See here, the A, which is this, be the starting point of any number line. So when we go to the right, you may take 4 steps to the right? See, 4 steps from here will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here, when you take 7 steps to the left, then how to indicate this? So you may write 4 steps to the right and 7 steps to the left. So how should we indicate this movement in the opposite direction? The scale of a thermometer is like a number line. The temperature in Delhi in winter may be above the freezing point, and temperature in Srinagar in winter may be below the freezing point. So we know the water freezes at 0 degree. Then what about how will we indicate the temperature of Srinagar? Suppose we need to find 3 minus 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 3. Now how to do this? So all these questions are there, and their solution lies in negative numbers, right? Their solution lies in negative numbers. Now see, a set of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 is called the set of negative numbers. Now these are negatives of natural numbers, right? Minus 1 is read as negative of 1 or minus 1. Minus 4 is read as negative of 2 or negative 2. And minus 3 is read as negative of um, minus 3, right, and so on. And A is considered as the above situations again. The gain of 4 is plus 4 and the loss of 4 is minus 4. 4 steps to the right is 0 and 4 is plus 4, and 7 steps to the left of 0 is minus 7. The temperature above the freezing point is taken in plus, and that below the freezing point is in minus, right? And to notice that it's not essential to write positive before, plus sign before any positive number. It's not essential. Now here is an example which is given how to show the heights of an aeroplane or different heights with appropriate sign. If the height is above the sea level, it is plus 200, 2000. The submarine obtained at the depth of 800, it is minus 800. If I deposit 4400 in a bank, so with plus sign I'll indicate that. If there is a withdrawal of 700, then minus 700, right? Like that. Now what are integers? The collection of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 together with new numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 form the collection of integers, right? Set of integers can be written as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. The set of integers is represented by the level 2 or 1. Positive integers can be easily observed around us, right? We can easily find positive integers. My class has 40 students. So 1, 2, 3, 7, anything. They all will be positive integers. And we all know how positive integers are indicated. They are indicated with a plus sign or without any sign. Right? Or without any sign. Do we see negative numbers around us? Temperature of Siberia can drop to minus 40 degrees centigrade. The display of lift in a shopping mall housing society shows minus 2 for parking lot, which is 2 levels below the ground level, right? Integers on a number line minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you can see here that this left side it is called as negative, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4 are positive integers, whereas minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are negative integers. Now in this example, see, we have to indicate these numbers. See, now minus 2, how it has been indicated. See here, point B is the minus 2 and then minus 5, right? Now give the opposites to of increase in weight. The opposite is decrease in weight. 325 BC is 325 AD. Opposite of numbers or negative of numbers. The diagram below suggests how group integers into pairs of opposites. Minus 4 to 4 plus 4 minus 3. Now minus 1 is the opposite of 1 and 1 is the opposite of minus 1. Similarly, 2 is the opposite of minus 2 and minus 2 is the opposite of 2, and so on and so forth. Absolute value of integers. Right? What is absolute value? Absolute value, see children, is written like this here. This is this absolute value, modulus. This sign, this is called modulus. If when we put this and write any number inside it, say for example 1, then the two bigger bars which were at the left or right are called modulus. Right? So what we conclude from here? We conclude from here is absolute value of a positive number is the same number. Absolute value of negative number is the opposite, so is the positive. Absolute value of number is never negative and absolute value of 0 is 0. Right? So I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.